That's how y'all gonna get it.
What's up, y'all? So it is CLT hitting me back with another video. I know I've been down for like a week, but it's only because my car's been in a wrap shop, so I really ain't been putting out no content really. I ain't even really posting on my Instagram for real, just because my car's been in the shop. But I dropped it off Sunday, I think it was, and today's Saturday. Today's Saturday. So I'm actually going to check on the car to see how much progress they actually got done. And I'm gonna take y'all along with me, bro. Like, I haven't seen the car yet. I'm very excited to see it actually. The car is not finished, but it should be close to being finished, and I should have it back sometime next week. But as y'all can see, I'm driving my little hoopty, bro. Like, bro, I miss my charger for real. I didn't know how weird it was not having my charger in the garage in the driveway, bro, until it wasn't there and it's not broken. Like, I'm sick. But nah, I'm going to beat my boy Russ. I'm gonna head up to Jack's Wax to get some cleaning supplies, bro. If y'all don't mess with Jack's Wax in Charlotte, bro, I've heard they the best. So I'm gonna head up there, talk to them people, you know what I'm saying, put a name to the face and try to get some products from them. And probably have some videos coming sooner or later with Jack's Wax. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to Russ, and then we're gonna hit Jack's Wax and then hit my car and let y'all see what I got going on, bro. I'm mad excited, but I'll catch y'all when I get there. All right. Bro, I really wouldn't mind one of these Teslas, bro. The dual motors. I definitely wouldn't mind one. I don't know if that's an older one or a new one. It's got cold. You see who I'm following, bro. Yes, sir. I'll catch you whenever we get there, though. Alright, bro. So we just pulled up. And this is going to be the first time I've seen the car, bro. You see my boy Russ. Toro. _ 704. But we about to look at the car. This is my first look, bro. I'm excited, bro.
We're gonna follow my man's in here because I think he went dumb just now.
Hold on.
Hey, that's how y'all gonna get it. That's how y'all gonna get it, man.
Should I show him the rest of the car, bro?
I think you gotta do it, bro.
Come on, man. Saturday, bro. It got a little shine to it, though. But it's half and half. Yeah, that's crazy. That's what I'm looking at, bro. That's crazy, bro. Bro, y'all cut up, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna have to redo that one. Looks like got a little wavy but other than that,
So imagine that coming down the road, bro. Imagine that coming down the road. Hey, that silver smoker don't look bad though.
No, I don't. I think you should do silver black.
Black over there?
Or do keep it the same color. That's up to you.
I ordered some new badges too. No. I don't know what type of badge I should put here though, but I ordered.
Just scrape the number.
Yeah, bro, I'm crazy excited, bro. That carbon fiber inside is gonna be hard too. That y'all seen, that's that black as well. The yellow Brembos. That stealth mode, bro. But I'll catch y'all in a little bit when I get. As y'all can see, bro, the car's not finished yet. But what y'all can see, it's hard, boy. It's hard. Doggone heart fluttering, boy. Hey, look. Hey, you give it a thumbs up, bro? You gotta give it a thumbs up. That's what I'm talking about. It's gonna be crazy, bro. It's gonna be crazy. Then I gotta go after that, and we gotta hit it with this stuff that we just got from Jack's Wax. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna make it pop. Let me show y'all what I just got from Jack's Wax, bro. So you see that Toro 704? You gonna come to my house and do this for me, bro, for $5. The whole 9 yards, bro. Ain't that right, bro? Bro, you gonna do it?
What you paying me?
$5.
Lights in the roof for that.
We trading?
6 hours for 6 hours.
6 hours?
Yeah.
All right, bet. You're not gonna get yours until Juvember 2050. But nah, this is gonna be like to clean the car, you know what I'm saying, to wipe it down before car shows. And then this is gonna give it a little more shine than it already got. Like, it don't have a lot of shine to it, but it still got a shine to it. Gotta apply that. But Jack's Wax is my new go-to, you know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see more videos with them coming soon. But it might be it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. And I ain't got the scat today, but my boy Toro got that big thing out here. Look at it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, boy. Y'all see that shine though? That's that Jack's Wax product. Hey, look at it. Look at it. It's that shine for you. Cleanest Challenger 2020. Race and track in the city, bro. And yes, we coming down to Atlanta, so be prepared. But like this video, just like it, thumbs up, comment down below what y'all think, how the car is looking, and I'm out.